Welcome to the Story Bakery, everybody. Today we're showing the super simple crowd pleaser that is taco salad. Let's get to cooking. First, start with the healthy. Grab 3 heads of romaine lettuce and get to chopping. Scoop up the greens and I can feel myself getting healthier by holding them. I think that's how this works. And toss them in a bowl. Then grab a tomato and a sharp knife. Careful of those fingers. We don't want any sausage in our taco salad. And then give the tomatoes a nice dice. And then let's stir it up. Little darling, stir it up. Alright, so once we have all that stuff together, we are going to combine the tomatoes and lettuce and throw in the first ingredient to show up the veggies, and that is cheese. Everybody loves cheese, even though it makes some of us fart. All right, give it a quick toss and grab some Doritos. All right, every ingredient just keeps getting better and better. Crunch up those Doritos like my chiropractor at my latest appointment. Then, once we have them all crunched up, we're going to stir it up. Little darling. Now, here comes the meat next, okay? So, what we're going to do, we're going to cook up some ground beef taco meat with your favorite taco season, super yummy. Then give it another good stir it up and then refrigerate it for 30 minutes, stew it out. Then finally, a tip for all you guys out there. Before you serve it up, you got to dress it up. Always keep your front lawn mowed, if you know what I mean. Add your French dressing to coat the salad right before serving to keep the chips crunchy. Voila!